Most people are about to miss the biggest wealth shift of this generation, not because they lack money, but because they're staring at the wrong things, while the real opportunity is happening right in front of them. Something is unfolding in the global economy that happens maybe once or twice in a lifetime. And the few people who understand what's actually happening, not the headlines, not the hype, will look back 15 years from now and say, that was the moment. Right now, there is so much noise. Interest rates, inflation, drama between countries, new AI models every few months, and social media full of people yelling about the next hot stock. And in all that chaos, the real story, the one that will define the next 2 decades of wealth creation, is getting drowned out. When everything feels urgent, people stop zooming out. They chase trends, get burned, repeat the cycle, and never see the bigger picture. But every technological revolution in history follows a pattern. A new technology arrives, infrastructure must be built, and the people who own that infrastructure get paid for decades. This happened with electricity. It happened with the internet. It is happening again with artificial intelligence, right now, and we are still early. AI isn't just an app or a chatbot. It's a new industrial revolution, and like every revolution before it, the real wealth is built beneath the surface. Think of the California gold rush. Thousands chased gold, most went broke. The people who built generational wealth were the ones selling the picks, shovels, tents, and tools, because they got paid no matter who found gold. Today, AI has its own gold chasers, the apps, chatbots, image generators, and tools competing with each other. Some will win big, most will disappear. But the picks and shovels of AI, the compute, the data centers, the networking, the cooling, the energy, the software infrastructure, the cybersecurity, that's where the safest and most reliable long-term opportunity is. So how do you identify the winners? Use 5 filters. 1. A real competitive advantage. Moats, switching costs, unique technology, anything that makes them hard to copy. 2. Massive future growth. A company in a market that is expanding fast, not shrinking. 3. Strong fundamentals. Real revenue, real margins, real cash flow, not hype. 4. Hard to disrupt. Something structural that blocks new competitors. 5. Elite leadership. Because great companies are built by great operators. When you apply these filters, you stop guessing and start understanding where long-term value is created. You stop chasing shiny objects, and you start building a foundation. Because the truth is simple, AI is the opportunity of this decade. The infrastructure behind AI is the foundation, and the people who understand this early will be the ones who benefit the most. And remember, just like AI, YouTube is another once-in-a-decade opportunity. So if you want to learn how to use it the right way, join my free community in the link below.